Okay, so let's start. So first we'll do the matrix addition program. So let's copy some program for inputting the matrix, or like uh, like we need to take two matrix, and the concept is we'll take two matrix as input and add each one. Okay, add each one on the basis of their index. That means, for example, we have two matrix m and n. Okay, so the first value of m matrix will be added with the first value of n matrix, and the answer will be stored into another matrix that is called P, and the answer is 20. Hence the answer is 20, that because 12 plus 8 is 20. And the second value, the first row, the second column, which is 23, and in the matrix n, which is 22, will be added, and the answer will be 45, and hence the P of 0 1 is 45, and m of m of 0 2 plus n of 0 2, will add these two numbers and will place it into P of 0 2, that is 64. Obviously 33 plus 31, that is 64, right? Okay, so let's do this program first. Let's code it. So first we need to make three matrices, right? We need to make three matrices. So int one is m, second one is, let's call them m, n and p, right? That's how, as the book says, m, n and p. P will be the output matrix. So, and the size, what happened? And the size will be, let's consider it as of now 4 and 4. Okay. This next one will be n, and finally I have one p. Oh, I didn't make the main method, sorry. Sorry, my bad. I forgot to make the main method. Like I was talking, that's why. Now what we need to do, we need to take inputs, right? So to take input, I will just copy this portion, because I don't want to write it again and again, and I need to import one library, that is import java.util.start. Let's import everything. Okay, so first let's take input for m matrix, and then we need to take input for, what happened? Sorry, java.io. Yes, so we need to do one more thing, that is, should I use scanner class, or like you are comfortable with input stream reader? I told you how it works in the last class, right? So I'm using it, or I need to use the scanner class? Tell me quickly. Do I need to use scanner class? Hello? Hello, do I need to use scanner class? Okay, I'm using it then. I believe you know. Throws. I think it was, just a second, it was IO exception. Then what's the problem? Oh, I think, yeah. IO exception, yeah. Okay, so I need to take input for another matrix, that is my n matrix. Okay, so I'm just printing that so I'm printing that enter the values for M matrix, and again the same thing, enter the values for N matrix. Okay, and after that I will print those matrix M and N. So how can I print those matrix? I will just print like this. Look, very simple, we know how to do. The M matrix is, and it will print the M matrix if I just write system.out.println M of ij. We know how to print matrix, right? And again the same thing we need to do for N matrix. We'll print the N matrix. So the N matrix is, just to organize things, to the N matrix is, we'll print the N matrix, and finally we need to add M and N matrix, right? So again we'll run 2 for loops to iterate each and every item, and inside that for loop we'll write P of I j, sorry, j will be equals to M of I j plus N of I j. So what will happen is, look, for example the value of I is 0, value of j is 0. So P of ij will be the value of P of ij is equals to M of ij and N of ij. That means N of 0 0, that is this, plus N of 0 0, that is this. So the answer will be 20, which will be placed to the P of ij, inside the P of ij, that means P of 0 0. So inside, that means inside here, right? And it will keep on going, and all the index, like all the values of M and N array will be added and placed inside the P array. Obviously the indexes will, like, based on their indexes, that means that this value won't be added with this value will only be added with 31, because the indexes should be same for both the arrays, and the answer, like the answer where it will be placed inside the P array, it will also be the same. That means the index of P array like for example, if I need to place it here, like I need to calculate the answer for P of 0 2, so I can only do that by adding N of 0 2 and M of 0 2, not N of 3 4 and M of like 3 2 and N of like 2 2, not like that. Okay. Understood? Okay, so that's how we are adding two matrices. Okay, and let's now print the P matrix. P matrix is, just we need to place P here. Okay, that's all. No syntax errors. Let's run it. So my matrix values will be 2 3 4 5 6 1 4 sorry 1 3 okay it went 71 my bad. Okay, now I'm entering the values for matrix n. Okay, 2 7 9 3 1 some random values. It is not printing in a matrix format. Let me see. Yes, it is not printing in a matrix format, so I need to do something. That is, first of all I need to make it print, not println. Now it will be fine. Let's compile it. Get all of it. What happened? Enter the value for n matrix. So 3 2 7 4 5 8 9 sorry 8 2 8 5 3 5 2. Okay, look, that is my m matrix, that is my n matrix. Why it is 0 0 0 0? Just a second, let me check. I think, yeah, I didn't change this thing. Can you see what's the problem? Hello, look, I didn't change. Like after taking the input for m matrix, I'm taking the input for n matrix, but what I made, like my mistake is excuse me, my mistake is, look, I didn't change the I was copying, no, I was copying the first portion, so while copying I forgot to change this thing. It should be n. Sorry, my bad, I'm making mistakes today. Okay, now it will be all fine, hopefully. Okay, now for the m matrix, n matrix. Okay, look, the m matrix is this thing, this one, and the n matrix is this one. And now let's add one by one. So 3 added with 5, answer is 8. Okay, 5 added with 7, the answer is 12. Okay, 6 added with 8, the answer is 14. Okay, 7 added with 9, the answer is 16. Okay, and 8 added with 3, the answer is 11. Okay, and everything is okay, like the rest of the part will be okay. Just go through it once. Okay, now one question will be that I took 4 cross 4 matrix, right? But why the answer is why it is printing, okay, let me know why it is printing 3 cross 4, that means 3 rows and 4 columns. That's why I didn't take for 4 rows, I didn't take input for 4 rows. Okay, I just only took input for 3 rows. Look, I just took input for 3 rows. That's why, like, this thing represents the limit, that how what is the limit until that I can take inputs, that is the maximum limit, maximum length of the array. So I can take up till that limit. Okay, until that limit is reached. But I didn't take 4 rows, I just took 3 rows and 4 columns for each of one. Okay, understood how to how to add 2 matrices? Hello, tell me quickly, understood how to add 2 matrices? Hello, Okay. Okay, so I won't do that much. Then if you understand this thing, and 16 till 16 is hmm, which portion? Okay, okay. I just said ki I like while declaration I just place the limit 4 cross 4. That means the highest limit of that matrix is 4 cross 4. That means that matrix can only have 4 rows and 4 columns, not more than that. But it can have less than that. So while taking inputs, I just took 3 rows. Look at the for loop. It's moving like it's looping 3 times. So I just take input for 3 rows and 4 columns, not for 4 rows and 4 columns. So that's what I said, that is the upper limit, that 4 cross 4. But I just took inputs for 3 rows and 4 columns, and for each matrix, not only like not for only the M matrix, also for the N matrix I took 3 rows and 4 columns. Like I took the input for 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, that's what I said. And after adding, obviously my answer will be 3 rows and 4 columns, so I'm printing also 3 rows and 4 columns. That's all. like like the thing you need to remember, that when you are declaring a matrix with a limit, for example that is 4 cross 4, you can't take inputs more than like that matrix can't have more than 4 rows and 4 columns. It can have less, like you can take inputs for 3 rows 4 columns, 2 rows 4 columns, 2 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 2 columns, but not more than 4. Yes, you can take less than 4. That's what I'm saying. Okay. No, it's for matrix. It's not it's a concept of matrix or arrays. Rather, I should say it's the concept of arrays, not for addition or subtraction. In case, no, you can take more than 4. But what I said, if you are declaring a limit of 4 cross 4, then the upper limit for you is 4 cross 4. You can't take more values than 4 cross 4, but you can take less values. Okay. Okay, so that's all. Okay, the 17th program completed. 18th and 19th one you need to do by yourself, and 20th one. If you feel some problem, then I will tell you in the next class. Okay, just practice all of that. So now should we start string? Okay, let's start string.